you can just change this content. I want to change this content now. You click on the edit here, and because you remove this affiliate marketer, right? It's that simple. It's A, B, C. Now you adjust it. Good. So now you move down. We've got chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4 for you here. Now your acknowledgement. Now how do you create a content for your acknowledgement here? Now the moment you click on the content here, you click on edit here, then you just highlight. Okay, now where do you get your content from? What you have to do is very simple. You just make use of our AI bot here, and once you click on it, you're gonna have it displayed here in AI, where you can create any content that you want. Any content. In fact, this Ink AI can actually translate to any language for you. Whatever language you want to make use of, very simple. You can do that, and once you click on this, you're gonna have this voice reply. You can have it activated. Then you can check the languages that you can make use of, and the language you just want. Let me try French and see. Gonna see French. That's French. Then set to French. Okay. So now let's see. So once you write it here, once you write your prompt here, you click on this pink button here, and it will start writing.
Je tiens à exprimer ma sincère gratitude à tous mes lecteurs pour avoir pris le temps de lire mon e-book sur le marketing d'affiliation. Votre soutien et votre encouragement.
So now all you have to do is to just copy the content, and you return to the templates, scroll down, we're here, then you highlight and you paste. Right, so that's it. Then you have your acknowledgement written in the language that you want. And if you want it to be in English, of course you can still do that. If you want it to be in Portuguese, if you want it to be in German, in Arabic, in any language, in Hindi, any language that you actually want. Yeah, so that's it. Now you have this here. You can remove it and you can leave it depending on your choice. Okay, now let's say I want to replace this. Now you only click on this delete element and it's deleted. Then you click on image here. So now once you have your image here, you can then move it around and fix it wherever you want to fix it in your ebook, right? So you can fix it here, you click, and that's it. So if you still want to change it next time, you can just click on this delete element and it will be gone. Yeah, that's it. So for our first chapter, we have to create another content, right? So what do? You go back to your AI bot again, you click on it, and you'll be able to generate your content. Remember, I told you earlier on, the Ink AI translates to any language of your choice, right? So, and once you click on this, it will display different languages across the world for you, right? So, and here we're going to make use of the voice icon here, which will help you to transcribe your voice. That is, whatever it is you say to Ink AI, it will be transcribed and it will generate the content for you immediately. Explain the concept of affiliate marketing. It's generating the content for me already. Then you click on this icon, copy. then you return. Always ensure you save the progress of your work here, right? Then you click here and you click on the edit content. Then you highlight your work here and then you paste. Right, so that's it. And if you still want to add more content, you can go back to the AI bot to generate more content like that. Now let us go back to our AI bot. You just input a prompt, and of course after doing that you have to click on the icon here to search, right? Yes, and the content is popping up already. It's generating content for us already. Amazing. So you have it, then you copy, you return to your templates, then you can just input that here. You can just input that here. You edit, you select, you paste. So yeah, you have these done already. Then you click on cancel edit and you move on again to your chapter 2, right? This is cryptocurrency. You definitely want to remove these, right? And you replace it with another image. So once you have your image here, you drag it, right? Once you drag it, once it's fixed, you fix it. Then you can adjust. Yeah, so that's it. Right. So you can continue to generate content for your ebook like that. Now here you have about the author, right? Then you can, even generate content for these as well, right? So that is it. And if you want to add a new page, right? Say for instance, after the first page here, I want to add a new page. I just click on this add page icon here. And once you click on it, you'll have a new page created for you. And yeah, you can now add anything that you want to add to it. Once you click on the text there, you can drag it here, right? Then you click on the edit button here. You will be able to edit. To adjust, you click on that again. You adjust it. You can change the color to anything you want, right? Let me use these. Then you can adjust the size like that. Then you can move it to anywhere within the page you just created, right? You have your terms and conditions here, and you now want to write your terms and conditions. How do you do? Come back here, click on text. You have a new generated text here, right? Then click on edit, right? Then let us go now to generate our terms and condition content using the bot again. Write terms and conditions for affiliate marketing. Content has been generated already, as you can see. Right. Good. You can just copy it. Right. Always save the progress of the work. Then you have it here. And you click on edit content. you paste. So you have it here. Then now you can change it. You can bold. You can move it again. You can change the color if you want. Right, but I don't want to change the color. You can do this. You can increase the size, increase the size, increase the size, like that. It's 18. Good. So, cancel edit. Then you move forward. After doing that, you save progress. Right? So, that is it. We have our ebook ready. So, what do you do now? You have to download your ebook in PDF format. You click on this. So you have your affiliate marketing ebook downloaded already here. Now let us open it. Click on open. Yeah, it's right here. That's beautiful. This is amazing. Man, this is amazing. So you can go ahead to create as many ebooks as you deem necessary, as you want, depending on what you want, depending on your need, right? So that's it. Now let's go back. You can as well